Hey y'all, it's your girl Monty back with another video. Hopefully YouTube does not disable the chat. And yeah, before y'all start coming at me, this is like a crop top. It's not a bra. But today I'm here with a special guest. My name's Dallas. Say hi. So what I'm basically gonna be doing today is putting her in the Q&A so you get to so you get to know her better. So yeah, this is gonna be a whole full video, no cuts in and out. It's gonna be a whole full video, and she's still posing. Okay, so the first question is, what is your name?
Dallas?
Dallas. Her name is Dallas. D-Y-L-I-S. Dallas.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like your name?
Yeah.
You do? Why?
Because I can just keep saying my name.
Y'all, she don't really know what she's talking about for real, because she's still a baby. But, yeah. So, the next question is, Dallas, what is your favorite color? She actually has two.
Pink and yellow.
She loves yellow, but she also loves pink. But her most top tier favorite color is yellow. And then she also likes pink. Alright.
Yeah, but before I loved only yellow, but now I love pink.
Yeah. So, hold on, let's make a thumbnail. Hope you caught that. So,
Brother. Okay, sorry. Okay,
y'all, so my CapCut is not acting up. My CapCut is acting up, so we won't have an intro or an outro. Like, we do have an intro. I'm gonna be saying the intro and the outro, but ain't no cover. So, but yeah, because that's what I need a Leah for. Yes or no? Alright, the next question is, what question do you pick? This one. What question do you pick? This one? Question one. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is candy.
I didn't know that was your favorite food. Her favorite food is clearly candy. I thought it was like French fries or something.
Actually, it is.
Dallas, tell them something they don't know about you. Tell them something you don't know about. They don't know about you.
I'm vegan.
She's vegan. So if you don't know what vegan is basically when you don't eat meat, dairy, any type of that stuff. Like, she normally eats, so what do you normally eat? Like vegetables, fruits, French fries, tater tots.
Yeah, but I don't like eat like a sandwich. I can't eat a sandwich, and I can't eat cheese.
Yeah, she's vegan, y'all.
Yeah.
And tell them how old you are. Tell them how old are you?
4, dang it.
Yo, she's just 4. How about let's move to a different area because I don't like that one. Let's move right here. Alright, y'all, she's 4. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Peppa Pig or Lucy.
Oh, I didn't know that was a movie, y'all. She got a lot of questions from me.
Actually, my movie is Indoor Out.
Inside Out.
Yes.
Inside Out. Okay, that's a good movie. Don't be stealing our handshake. The next question is, let me do good question because some of these are the same questions over and over again. What grade are you going to?
I'm going to pre-K4.
So she wasn't pre-K3. We go to a private school. We're not going to obviously tell you what the private school is, but our school has pre-K3, pre-K4, and all the way through. That's it. Pre-K3, pre-K4, kindergarten, first grade, all the way up into 8th grade.
Yeah, but guys, how many days we gonna go to school because how many months we're gonna stay in class because I don't know when to be at the ending. I don't know if it's gonna be at the ending to take a
Y'all, she don't know what she talking about. But let's finish. No, you don't.
Okay.
No. Okay, no. So, the next question is, do you have a best friend? Do you have a best friend?
Yes.
What's her name?
Aunt. My aunt.
Me? I'm her aunt. But they're talking about, like, somebody at school, one of your classmates at school.
Oh, I like Cadence and Parker.
Her best friends' names are Cadence and Parker. So
Yeah,
we can
because
say
they are
names, but
girls.
we're not going to tell their information.
Because they are pretty girls
Yeah.
and they are good. I like them.
So, now let me ask her questions because we ran out of questions. So now let me ask you questions. So actually, Dallas, you can tell them more about you, what they need to know.
Well, guys,
Put it up for you.
guys, do you know?
Dallas, you actually have to like sit down and like talk. This is actually like, yeah.
Guys, did you know what shirt I'm wearing on?
No, but tell them more about yourself.
Okay, so guys, you know what this shirt is? This shirt is a tortoise.
They know that it's a turtle and stuff, but tell them more about yourself that they don't know.
Okay, guys, did you know that I always was a baby? Did you know that, guys? But when I was a baby, I was kicking in her stomach. And then
That's her story about herself, y'all.
and then I got out. Your turn.
This is not a vlog. I mean, this is not a video for me. This is a video for you.
But this got me.
You're gonna mess up the video, Dallas. Focus. All right, go ahead, focus.
So, guys,
Like, let them know how you've been doing since school was over. How was the summer for you?
it was pretty good, right? And guys,
It was pretty what?
I gotta tell y'all something.
Don't touch the camera. What do you gotta tell them? Nope, don't touch the camera. What do you have to...
That's that.
No.
Guys, I'm gonna come back.
No, you gotta stay in the camera. So, Krim, I guess she's done with the video. So,
No, I'm
this
not.
is the end of... Yes, you are. Because the time is already long already. Are you gonna tell them for real? You gonna speak? Okay. Don't mess up the video.
So, guys, I'm back because Mom just come in and tell them that you helped me.
I'm helping her. I don't know, but I'm helping her with. But this is the end of the video.
Yeah,
Say,
so bye-bye.
I'm going to tell her what to say.
So, like, comment, subscribe. Turn on the button on notifications. When you say
So you be updated. So you'll be updated every time I drop a new banger. Bye.